In this video, we're going to show you how to time block in Obsidian with Day Planner. Time blocking is a productivity technique that involves scheduling specific blocks of time for tasks, projects, meetings, and other activities throughout your day. Instead of working from a simple to-do list, time blocking helps you create a clear plan for how your time will be used. For many users, Obsidian serves as a central hub for notes, projects, goals, and task management. By combining Obsidian with the Day Planner plugin, you can create a structured schedule directly inside your vault and manage your daily workflow more effectively. However, without a clear schedule, tasks can easily pile up, priorities may become unclear, and important work can be delayed or forgotten. The good news is that the Day Planner plugin makes it easy to create and manage time-blocked schedules directly inside Obsidian. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use the Day Planner plugin to create a time-blocked schedule in Obsidian. So, let's get started. The first step is to open Obsidian and access the Settings menu. Next, navigate to the Community Plugins section. If Community plugins are disabled, enable them and allow third-party plugins. Now, click Browse and search for Day Planner. Select the plugin from the results and click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Enable to activate the plugin. After enabling the plugin, open its settings page and review the available options. Next, create a daily note where you'll manage your schedule. The Day Planner plugin works by allowing you to define time blocks throughout your day. Start by creating time entries for your planned activities. For example, you might schedule time for focused work, meetings, studying, exercise, email management, or project tasks. Assign a start time and end time for each activity. Continue adding blocks until your daily schedule is complete. Once your plan is created, open the Day Planner view to see your schedule displayed in an organized format. As you work throughout the day, you can follow the schedule and make adjustments whenever priorities change. Many users also combine time blocking with task management systems, allowing tasks and schedules to work together inside the same vault. Over time, this can help improve focus, reduce distractions, and make daily planning more effective. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, install and enable the Day Planner plugin. Second, create time blocks within your daily note. And third, use the Day Planner view to manage and follow your schedule throughout the day. Remember that time blocking is designed to help you intentionally allocate time to your most important activities. Creating a structured daily schedule can improve focus, productivity, and overall time management. This is especially useful for students, professionals, freelancers, content creators, and anyone balancing multiple projects and responsibilities. Taking a few minutes each day to plan your schedule can help ensure that important work receives the attention it deserves. And that's how to time block in Obsidian with Day Planner. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.